Hello everyone and welcome to TutelAGeek. On today's video, we're going to show you a very cool way to watch videos if you're using Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop. It might seem pretty simple for some of you, but I had not realized how useful it can be up until I saw someone else doing it, and I was mind blown by it. If this sounds interesting, let's get started. Let's begin with taking a look at my channel and opening a video. Sometimes videos like tutorials might be either very fast-paced or very slow-paced in order to be accessible to a variety of audience, which means that when it comes to our personal preference and abilities, we might have to adjust the video speed to match our needs. In order to do that, while we have our YouTube video open, we go to the bottom right of the video and press the settings button. We choose the playback speed, and if someone speaks too fast, we can slow it down to 0.75. Or if we're looking for specific information and we do not know where it is exactly on the video, we can speed it up to 1.5 times speed so that we go through the video quickly, or even 2 times speed. Let's try to watch a series. I will go to SVT, which is a national television, and there are several series here. I will choose a random one, and we can see that there are subtitles options, but nothing to control the speed of the video. And honestly, some series can be so slow that even at 2 times speed, it sounds like they speak slowly. In order to be able to control the playback speed, in almost every video we watch online, we can use a Chrome extension called Video Speed Controller. We can either come to the extension button on the right of the search bar, or we press on the 3 dots on the very top right of our browser, and there we find the More tools and click on Extensions. We can see the extensions we have already installed, but if we go to the top left and click on the 3 lines before the title extensions, we can choose the Web Store button, which is placed on the bottom. Here, we can just search the extension we're looking for, and we type Video Speed Controller. Be aware that there are a lot of similar extensions, and some of them were deleted in the past for having malware. You can find the one I'm using if you go to the More extensions and go down until you find Video Speed Controller, which right now is a featured extension, and it has 3,300 reviews, and it says speed up, slow down, rewind, and advance any HTML5 video with quick shortcuts. The creator of this extension is iGrigoric. We click on it and we can see the log of the extension as a last verification that you are using the one I'm recommending. We click the Add to Chrome and then the Add extension, and the process takes about 2 seconds. At this point, I would like to mention that if you find this video useful, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now, if we go back to the SVT Play and refresh the page, and on the top left of the video screen, there is this small icon that says 1. And if we hover over it, a small panel will show up with several buttons. With these buttons, we can move our video forward for 10 seconds or backwards for 10 seconds. We can increase the speed by 0.1 each time we click on it, and we can get our video to play much faster. Or we can slow down the video by 0.1 as well with each click. Apart from using the control panel, which can be a bit inconvenient at times, we can also use keyboard shortcuts. By pressing D, we can make our video go faster. The S key slows down our video. The Z takes our video 10 seconds back, and with the X key, it goes 10 seconds forward. So instead of clicking, we can just use our keyboard. The Video Speed Controller can also work on YouTube. If we refresh, we can see the small panel on the top left of our video, And it's great because we can come to the YouTube settings, set it to 2x speed, and the panel changes as well to 2. And if we press D, we can increase the speed even more. We also have more room to slow down our video, since Video Speed Controller does it by 0.1 compared to YouTube that changes speed by 0.25. That was it for today's video. I hope it was useful. You can like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on productivity apps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!